Hello students, in this video I'll teach how to create a character. So you should have a reference, even I have a reference, very simple character. So if you want to make this object big or small, use this tool, transform tool, free transform tool, shortcut will be Q. Hold shift or shift alt to scale. Don't scale directly like this, it will distort. Okay, so there is no special in drawing. Everyone knows how to use the shape tools and line tool or pencil tool. So you need to remember one thing. So you need to keep this as a separate object, like face separate, ears separate, eyes separate, and hand separate, body separate. Why? We will be using this for animation, so better if we keep it as a separate objects, we can control easily. So or else if you draw as a single drawing, so you need to draw again completely from the beginning in another frame. So better we use grouping. So lock the layer and take a new layer. So which tool is easy and simple to create the artwork quickly, use that tool. So if you are good at using line tool, use it. If you are good at using shape tool, use it. So first create the front angle. So you can use direct drawing mode, no need to use any object mode. So remember that, don't give any gap. So if you have any one small gap also, you can't fill the color, so remember that. So everyone knows how to use line tool, so you can use the line tool like this. So here you can control, in properties you can control the thickness like this, and you can change the width also like this. So if you want to use this option, use it. If you want to draw manually, draw it, no problem. There is no need to draw again this side. You can duplicate like this and right click, select the object, right click, transform, flip horizontal. You can use this option, so it will be little quick. So you can see the head is done. We can group this full object, Control G. So I'll keep this as a separate object. Here we can create as a separate object. So don't get confused, I have drawn as a separate object here. So why? I can use this as a foreground here and I can use this as a background here. 1 minute, I'll fill the color and I'll show. Okay, so as you can see, I have done the head separate object. So this is how you can create. If you want, you can group the head with the hair, so if required, or else you can keep it normally like this. It will be, if you want to group it. So this one has a separate object, neck. So now I'll make the body, very simple. Okay, so now if you want to group this as one set, you can group, or you can keep it as a separate object also, no problem. But now you need to observe the hand. So we can't draw the hand completely as one object from shoulder to wrist, so you need to break it apart. So now you should observe this. I'll take a new layer. So you need to draw a little bit extra because you will be animating. So by chance if you are rotating the hand, you may get the gap. So to avoid that, you can draw a little bit extra like this. So very important, draw a circle. Try to keep it at the same size. So you have to keep neatly at the center of the line. So you can see this pivot point will help you. So now you can see you have to keep it like this. I'll group this one so that I can control easily. So now if I move or rotate like this, the circle will take care. So this is the use of the circle. So what happens if you don't draw a circle? Just think, I'll give one small example. Control G, I'll duplicate this. So think this is a shoulder arm and this is a shoulder arm and this is a forearm. We'll keep the pivot point. So by chance if you rotate, you'll get the gap like this. So now you will not get the gap because you have added the round. So finger, need to maintain the neat flow. So you use the line tool. So here you can use this like this. So remember one thing, don't draw the leg from here. So you need to maintain the torso as a separate object.